Hello and good morning, beautiful people. It's wonderful to have you here again. Today will be a busy day because we are going visiting one of the good developers in Dubai, which is I'mar. And another thing is that I'm going for the medical because I just started my visa process. And also, guys, I wanna present you someone that I really appreciate, and I really like this guy, guys. His name is Shafiq, and he's actually responsible of like managing the cleaning stuff in the office, and also maintenance and everything. So he's a big guy. Yes. You want to say something to my people or your people? Come.
Hey, good morning.
Tell them
guys.
something. What do you want to say to people from your country?
Salam, Afghanistan. My language.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Good luck.
thank you, my brother. Cheers. He is a polyglot guy. He's a polyglot. I think I'm gonna make a video with him. Oh, come, Shafiq. Please, come, my brother. Can you say something in all the languages you know?
Which language?
Come closer.
Which language?
Say something in Indian.
Indian?
Yeah.
Namaste.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Tell them something in Indian or Urdu.
Namaste. आप लोग ठीक है? हम एक भाई के साथ ये वीडियो ले रहा है आपकी.
Okay. अच्छा. Persian. Uh-huh.
سلام. امیدوارم حال شما خوب باشه. یا صبح همه شما بخیر.
Okay. And other language? Okay. Turkish. Nasılsın?
Hey, günaydın. Nasılsınız? Herkes iyi mi? Arkadaşımız iyi mi?
Hey, man. I know some words, not a lot. I learned some words when I went to Turkey, like traveling with my mother. There is the video. I have a video on my YouTube channel. You can check
Yeah,
it.
in Istanbul.
Yeah, you saw
I
it?
see.
Okay,
Yeah.
so 3 languages then?
Yeah.
Your language?
Persian.
Your mother language is Persian?
Yeah.
Okay, but you are from?
Afghanistan.
You speak Afghani?
Afghani, Persian,
It's the same, yeah? Okay. How did you learn these languages? Dude, you have a gift.
I learned. It's easy.
Some people, they was born actually with this gift, guys. So yeah, thank you so much, my brother.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Where are we going now, Mr. Ashraf?
I don't know, somewhere.
We're going to I'mar.
Yes. Is it like one of the good
It's
developers?
called the sales pavilion, not the sales center.
Okay.
Because it's not a center, it's something you'll see,
Yeah,
something very luxurious. So they call it pavilion.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it's like, they have a cafe, they have,
Wow.
it's like, it's not just a normal sales center.
Is it like one of the good developers in Dubai, right?
What, top 5. Dubai property. Yeah, sorry. What's his name? Jafar.
Look how he's elegant. I'm jealous. How can you be elegant like that every day?
What can I do? Part of my job.
Okay.
Yalla, Jafar. The top 5. Dubai property, Nakhil, I'mar, Damak, Miras. So this is the top 5. So I'mar is one of the top 5.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
We're here. Thank you so much, Mr. Ashraf. Hi. How are you? Good. Doing good?
This is Amar, yeah? This is here.
Okay.
This is the buildings in the market. And Dubai. This is just in the right hand.
And what is the project's name?
Here, this is here.
Navid and Colette.
Navid? Where? Car? No. I think it was the Range Rover.
Hello. How are you? Doing good?
Look at projects.
Creek Harbor.
Billboard.
That one, yeah?
Yeah, bigger than downtown, Address Point, Boulevard Point, Fountain Views, Three Building, Vida Dubai Mall, the address,
Wow.
downtown views.
We're gonna have the briefing in a couple minutes with a sales, one of the sales managers of Emaar, and I'm so excited. So it's actually my third briefing, and let's see how's it gonna be. Cheers. And everybody's here. All the office is here. So now we're just waiting for the time of the briefing. This is a big guy. Hey, what's up, big man?
Good.
How are you? Doing good? You good? You look super good, buddy. Like this? Like always, yeah? Cheers. Hey!
But Amar was my first ever project I worked in 2007.
You have to hear.
It was when I first.
No, right now they already know, but I'm talking now about something different.
Amar.
I'm talking now about today. What advice you can give them, especially Ali?
Well, I'm saying about Amar because I like Amar very much. First project ever I worked in 2007. I told you this. And I always say Amar, they are very good because they are, I call them atmosphere creators. They make very good atmosphere that will make you forget about anything else. Even if the apartment is too small, the villa is too small, and that's what happened with me. The villas or townhouses, you know, they
So now we're gonna have a look first on the apartment. Inside, yeah? Wow. Well, we can see like a big kitchen. Nice. This is one of the apartments of Emaar. The bedroom. The balcony. This is like a simple, alright? Okay. And also there is a balcony from the other side. It's just beautiful. It's amazing. We finished the briefing now. Everybody is going outside. Oh, now the Asians outside. And you know what we're doing now? We're taking pictures. It's interesting. Interesting. Okay. Do you drink water?
Yeah?
Okay. Who's coming?
I don't know.
We should wait for Farah. How was the briefing?
It was incredible. We learned a lot about the real estate market, and we learned how to be tough agents.
Yeah, and the guys was so like
The
he
guy
was
was
cool.
very, very cool, very
Yeah.
powerful, and very funny. Humor is always important.
Yeah, but he focused actually more on his relationship with
Building
brokers
relationships with
or
agents.
clients, yeah, than like focusing on the project
I think
itself.
the main goal is to actually become best friends with the client,
Yeah.
building trust with
Yes,
the client.
correct.
And then we could sell them anything.
And he's
afterwards.
Lebanese, right?
And he's Lebanese, yes. It's the Lebanese spirit, darling. Let's go.
Are you Lebanese? Where are you
I'm
from?
Lebanese.
Yeah?
Yes. I'm
Oh.
half Lebanese, half Iraqi.
Oh, nice. That's great.
Yeah.
Perfect. She's a real estate agent actually. For how long you been doing it? I mean,
I've
working?
been doing it for almost 2 years now.
2 years. Perfect. Nice.
We have a lot of bumps. It's okay. We're going with a crazy driver, but we're making it.
Down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Hi. The miniature of the project helps a lot. Well, first of all, to have like an idea about how the property is going to be and what is design inside, also the lifestyle and the vibes, you know, because when you buy a property in Dubai, you don't buy just like an apartment or something like that. You also buy the lifestyle, which is the important thing. So most of people, what they do when they buy off-plan property from a developer, they go usually to the sales office to check and to see the different offers, and the majority of them, they choose properties in like good areas. The second thing, what I promised you guys to talk about, is the difference between ready property and off-plan property. Ready properties, it's easy. It's just like a properties that are ready to sell. You can just buy it and enter it. But off-plan, we talk about buying a property under construction. And sometimes what people do, investors, buyers, is buying with payment plan, which is much better. In general, ready or off plan, payment plan is very good also for investors, because you don't have to pay the whole amount.
One eternity later.
So we are in the Emirate Health Service, and we came for the medical. Just right there.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
So we just finished the orientation course. It was for 35 minutes, something like that. And it's an animation video of like teaching the rules you have to respect in the Emirates. Now I'm in the car with Karash. This is Karash.
Yeah, Prakash.
Prakash. We're back to the office, and I got thirsty actually today, and I feel hungry. Why? I didn't told you guys that it's Ramadan. Well, you know already that it's Ramadan. So today I feel a little bit thirsty and hungry. So I'm so excited for food. And yeah, Karim, might want to say something, my brother?
Emirat is a good country for
Yeah.
everyone, for invest, for learn, for live. It's more.
It's a good place for opportunities, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, this is true, and especially the company we work for. It's one of the best companies, guys. Net Real Estate. Big up to the owners, and thank you for the opportunity.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.